I did. Thank
You
you.
wanted me to stop it?
That's okay, baby. Thank you. Thank you for stopping.
I'm gonna clean this kind.
Bravo. Kai,
Yeah.
when something falls down, we pick it up. Thank you, baby. Good job.
Look, I'm cleaning the floor.
Let him. He wants to put it on. Please,
This
Daddy.
is the bench I said to. This cleans everything. No, since that big area. This one. More bigger than the scope. And the mop. And the bucket.
Why are my children cleaning the house? Is the house so dirty? Do I leave the house so dirty that you guys have to clean it?
No,
Then
we're cleaning it.
you're cleaning it? Is that a vacuum cleaner? Is that a vacuum cleaner?
It's a cleaner.
It's a cleaner?
No, it's a vacuum.
It's a vacuum? Okay.
Okay, and it's no, it's a cleaner.
It's a cleaner? Okay. Ian, are you cleaning too? You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, baby. I'll clean.
That is a vacuum. Baby, hear the sound?
Mm-hmm. Hi. Khaliq,
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you.
Ian, I love you.